then drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real?
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you clicked on this video, then I'm assuming that you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel. So this video is going to be very beginner friendly. It's going to be just quick tips and advice that I can give you before you start your YouTube channel. So I actually wrote down a couple things for starting a YouTube channel, and so I'm just going to get right into this video. So the first thing I wrote down is having the correct equipment to actually start making content for your channel. Now, I started my channel just using my iPhone 11 Pro Max, and I still use that to this day. And using an iPhone is super easy. All you have to do is record your video and then just edit it with whatever software you're going to use, which we're going to get into in a minute. But yes, you need what you're going to use to create your video. So you do not have to use your iPhone. You can go to Amazon, Best Buy, or just anywhere that will sell a nice camera to start off your channel with, and you can go with that. But I suggest for beginners just to use your iPhone. So next, for equipment, you're gonna need something for your lighting. So like right now I'm using natural lighting just from the window, and this looks amazing. Like, natural lighting is always going to be a win, but I do recommend ordering a ring light. I got mine off Amazon. Using a ring light is convenient because yes, the natural light is good from like the window and everything, but when it's nighttime and you want to record a video, you're not going to get that natural light, whereas if you record in the daytime, a ring light is definitely an essential, because there is times where I've wanted to record at like 7 p.m 8 p.m, or if you're doing like a day in the life video, you're not going to have that natural lighting towards the ends of your video. So ring light is definitely essential, and I just really suggest Amazon to order that. So next on the equipment is a tripod. You do not need a tripod, but if you want to record in a place that can't really hold your phone up, having a tripod is very useful. Or if you're not home when you want to record, you can set up your tripod and be able to record. Now that's all the equipment. Like I said, this video is for beginners, so it's going to be very straightforward, just making it short and simple. So we just did the equipment. So next on my list is editing. Once you create your content or record your video, you're gonna need a software to edit that content you just created on. So I use iMovie. So I love iMovie. I've been using iMovie since I started my YouTube channel, and I still use it to this day. But iMovie is free, you guys, so I really do suggest iMovie, especially for beginners. If you have Apple products, iMovie already comes free on your phone, laptop, tablet, whatever Apple product you have. iMovie comes on there free, and iMovie is an amazing software to use. Considering that it's free, you can do a lot on there that you could probably do on a paid editing software. Now I have heard that a lot of people do use Final Cut Pro, which you do have to pay for, so that is another alternative. I cannot really recommend any other editing software because I do not know if they're actually good since I haven't used them. I could also do a video on how I edit my videos using iMovie, or you could look up on YouTube how to use iMovie on your computer or your phone. For example, I use a MacBook to edit on iMovie. So basically I just record my content on my iPhone 11, and then I just airdrop my video to my MacBook, and I use the iMovie software on my MacBook. So it's way easier to edit on your MacBook than on your iPhone. But if you do not have a MacBook, it's okay. So next on my list is making sure you know what kind of videos you want to create or what topics you would like to put on your channel. So before starting your YouTube channel, just make sure you know like what audience you're trying to get your videos to come across, or it doesn't even have to be an audience. Just know for yourself what you want your channel to be about, so that you won't have a hard time figuring out what kind of videos you want to create for your channel. But I can say personally for myself, starting my YouTube channel, I definitely use the advice and tips that I found on YouTube from other creators just to start my YouTube channel. This video was very short, sweet, and to the point with my 3 tips of starting your YouTube channel in 2022. And my last thing that I want to say before I end the video that I did not write down is to not procrastinate. That is something huge that I dealt with when I started my channel. I procrastinated on just getting up and making content, and you definitely do not want to procrastinate when you start a channel, because once you start getting those viewers and you start getting an audience pulled in, they're going to want more content from you. So if you're only posting like once every 3 or 4 months like I did, then your channel might not grow at a rate that you want it to. So you definitely want to be consistent that's the end of my video. I hope this was helpful to anybody that wants to start a YouTube channel. So like, comment, and subscribe, and I have more videos planned for you all. Thanks for watching.
I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it